In the first lesson, you'll learn how to customize the KOMPAS-3D toolbar and tailor your workspace to suit your needs and preferences. Let's explore the KOMPAS-3D interface using a new drawing document as an example. For detailed information about toolbar names and their layout, refer to the Kompas Online Help, the System Interface section. At the top of the window, commands are located. They are grouped into toolbars. The toolbars are organized into toolbar sets. For instance, you can currently see the toolbars from the drawing set. On the left, the toolbar set list allows you to select a set. I'll select Service Tools. You can see that the toolbars in the panel change. Let's return to the drawing toolbar. Let's take a look at the geometry toolbar. All the toolbars work in the same way. If there is not enough space to display all the commands in a toolbar, some commands are hidden. You can find them by clicking the small black triangle in the bottom right corner of the toolbar. This will expand the toolbar, revealing all available commands. You can shrink and expand a toolbar. If it doesn't work, this is because of a lack of space. Notice the system warning in the bottom right corner. To free up space, shrink another toolbar. For example, I'll shrink the Dimensions toolbar, and then I'll expand the Geometry toolbar. Additionally, you can change the vertical size of toolbars by selecting one row or two rows. If you prefer a vertical layout for commands in toolbars, hold down these dots in the toolbar using the left mouse button and drag the toolbar to the Tree panel. When you see a turquoise stripe next to the Tree panel, drop the toolbar. You can move as many toolbars as you want using this method. Let me return all the toolbars to the top panel. To further customize the toolbars, right-click anywhere in the panel. In the menu, select Configure the interface. This will switch the system to interface setting mode. Here you can add commands to the toolbars. Drag a command from this panel to the desired toolbar. Use the Search field to quickly find the specific command. You can also apply filters to narrow down the results. You can delete commands you don't use often. This allows you to declutter your workspace and focus on the tools you use most frequently. For example, I rarely use the conical curve command. Right-click on it and select Delete command. Let me also delete the command I've just created. Another reason to delete a command from the toolbar is if you prefer to use hotkeys instead. Let me delete the AutoLine command. I prefer to start this command using hotkeys, and I don't need it in the toolbar. I'll explain how to use hotkeys a little later. When customizing commands in the toolbar, you can right-click on the toolbar and select Show all commands on toolbar. The Geometry toolbar has too many commands to fit in my panel. I'll use the Dimensions command to demonstrate how this command works. The toolbar's width has been increased, and all the hidden commands are displayed. I can do the same with the Geometry toolbar if I shrink it first. Additionally, the commands can be swapped. Toolbars can be swapped, and toolbar sets can be swapped. This flexibility allows you to organize your workspace exactly how you prefer. You can hide any toolbar set that is displayed by default. KOMPAS-3D allows you to create your own custom toolbar. To do this, click this plus sign. Let me add a few commands to my new toolbar. If you click this plus sign, you'll create a new custom toolbar set. Go to the Sets and Panels section to rename the toolbar, and Toolbar Set. And here, let's also add our new toolbar to the new toolbar set. To save your interface settings, click the green checkmark. Or, if you want to discard your changes, click on the red cross. Let's check. Now you can see our new toolbar set in the list and our new toolbar within it.